Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to filter all your high priority emails on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application which is Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, let's now go to the top navigation menu within Home. Let's go to Filter Emails. Click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen to apply filter to show a specific message or messages. That's fine. Let's click on high priority. As you can see, we have no emails that are high priority. What we will do is go back and cancel that filter. Click on a couple of emails, change the priority level to very high. So that's been changed. Go to another. So that's number 2 done. Number 3. 4 and number 5. So now if I were to, let's just say, go back in time and refilter the emails to high priority, we should now see 5 emails that have the high priority sign on them. And the question is, why would we want to, let's just say, filter these emails? If we have 30,000, 40,000 emails and we are looking for every high priority email, it would be very time consuming to scroll up and down just to see which email is high and which isn't. So for us to filter using filter emails and then click on high priority, it saves the time and we can then see everything within one go and not have to go up and down within the email inbox. So we can now stop the filter, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.